In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into Google Sheets using the easiest method available in 2025. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for managing and organizing data, but sometimes you might want to include a video to enhance your project or presentation. Fortunately, you can efficiently achieve this by leveraging the capabilities of Google Slides and a few simple steps. First off, we'll need to open Google Slides. If you already have an existing presentation, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you can create a new one. Once you're inside your slide deck, navigate to the top of the window and click on Insert. This menu option extends to various features you can add to your slides, but what we're interested in right now is inserting a video. By clicking Insert, you'll see an option labeled Video. Click on this. You'll then be prompted with a choice of where your video might be located. For our purposes, let's select Google Drive because it's a seamless way to access files you already own or have uploaded. In Google Drive, navigate to the Documents section. This is a great time to make sure that your desired video file is available in your drive. Now, you'll want to select the video you wish to embed. Once you've located your file, click on it to highlight it, and then proceed by clicking on Insert. This places the video within your slide, meaning the first part of our task is complete. With the video now inserted into your slide, right-click on it to access a variety of options. For our next step, simply copy the video. This action allows us to move forward into Google Sheets. Open a new or existing Google Sheet that you intend to work with. Similar to what we did in Google Slides, head to the top menu and click on Insert. You'll notice an option called Drawing. This is a versatile feature which we'll use to paste our video, creating a drawing object within the spreadsheet. Once inside the drawing interface, you'll want to paste the video that you copied earlier. This step is crucial as it integrates the video into your spreadsheet, making it accessible directly from the drawing tool. Finally, to view and play the video, locate the drawing you've just inserted. Clicking on it should allow you to play the video directly within your Google Sheet. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to incorporate a video inside Google Sheets. By taking advantage of Google Slides for the embedding process and utilizing the drawing feature in Sheets, you can add a new layer of interactivity and engagement to your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!